Okay, so the idea for this project came about when I saw one of those canes that like breaks in half and it just looks like two halves of a nunchuck. Nunchucks? Anyways, to start this project off, I need a cane, which should be pretty easy, I think. I just need to make sure that the top and screw off from the rest of it so then I can just make the shaft into the nunchucks. And it's pretty straight too. Nice. Okay, so I got the head all done. The little joint here, just a piece of a belt, and then I can just unscrew this. And I can just keep this head and use it for a different cane if I ever want to. So now I need to figure out the whole nunchuck thing. Okay, here's the answer. This little piece of threaded pipe, it's like a bolt, but you can pass something through the center. I'm now running into a little bit of an issue. So the method I was going to use to attach these two was with this threaded rod in one end and this hole in the other. But the problem I'm having is not only can I not screw this into this piece, which is fine if I didn't make this hole too deep. So I've decided I'm going to do the nunchucks. I'm just going to string them up right now, and then I'm going to see if I can figure out a way to make this work. Okay, so I actually did figure it out. I showed you how this works. You just twist off the top. Basically, you just pull that, and there's this metal rod. Pass the string through, and now you got nunchucks. Not gonna lie, if there's anything I'm like the most scared of, probably nunchucks. So I'm actually not gonna test these out. If you want to see another silly video idea like this, I also did giant throwing stars.